For anyone that has been on a large scale undertaking, a merger and acquisition, a new ERP system implementation, um, any sort of undertaking involving change of people, process, and data across the organization understands that change management really is a key driver to success and overall time to value and adoption. AI is no different, but I also believe that it exacerbates that challenge that we already have with change management for understanding something different, for maybe upskilling or changing the way that we work. So for change management, I think the first key thing is understanding the impact of AI on processes and roles. Not every role will need AI. Not every role will be impacted, but there should be an audit or an understanding of when implementing an AI enabled application, how the job role and how the process will change. That will require or could, even use AI to do process automation and optimization. This would be a key driver to, changing those low value, high volume tasks to be AI enabled and supported, and not having an employee, be bored with their job. Those, which leads me to my next point, that is workforce transformation and skill development. Because we have these tools now that could be termed productivity tools, we may not have to spend so much of our time scheduling meetings or creating reports or going through bills of ladings or whatever it is. There are productivity tools that are out there that can help us, even meeting notes and transcriptions and follow-up actions. So how will we train our workforce to understand what it means to work with AI enabled technologies? How will they change their role description? What else would that mean? And how are we responsible for training and upskilling programs? As an employee, I really want to know, how is my job going to change over the next year, over the next 5 years? And this is critical point of the change management process. I just was in a conference in which the CEO came in, and he was asking how many people utilize AI. So this, I was at one company, I was observing the company meeting, and there was about 50% of the audience raise their hand. When the company CEO said, actually 100% of you are using AI, the room was a little shocked. They didn't realize that they had already been using tools within their systems that were AI enabled. So we need to, educate to understand how roles will change, to also look at continuous improvement in roles, and then kind of monitor the success of the changes that we're making. Also, to really invite everybody that is in the company to start using AI enabled technology. This could be doing short success stories or short pilots. It could be highlighting some of the AI applications that are being used throughout the company already. It's really removing any of the fear that may exist from the term AI and start to show how the application can be used and where it's used already. In addition to having trust that the company is doing their best to ensure that the roles that they have now and the future roles will be fully supported by the company through training.